In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to hide your Google Business profile. Whether you're seeking a bit more privacy or simply want to take your address off the map for a while, this guide will walk you through each step seamlessly. Let's start by navigating to the Google Business Profile website. This is where all the magic begins. You'll need to sign in using your Google account, so make sure you're logged into the one linked to your business. This might seem like a no-brainer, but trust me, it's easy to overlook, especially if you manage multiple accounts. Once you're successfully logged in, head over to your business profile. This is essentially the dashboard from where you can control how your business appears on Google. You'll see various options and sections here, but don't feel overwhelmed. We're focusing on just one specific part today. Look for the edit or pencil icon. It's usually not hard to find. Clicking on it will open up the editing options for your profile. This is where you can update information, add photos, and yes, control what details are visible to the public. Next, click on location. This might seem a bit counterintuitive when you're trying to hide it, but bear with me. It's a necessary step towards making your address invisible to your customers and the public eye. You'll then see an option to edit business location. This is crucial. Clicking here doesn't move your business. Don't worry. It simply allows you to edit the location settings. Here comes the important part. Look for an option or switch that says Show Business Address to Customers. By default, this is usually turned on, displaying your address publicly. You'll want to turn this off. Doing so means your business will still appear on Google, but without a specific address attached to it. It's perfect for home-based businesses, or when you're in the middle of moving to a new location. After turning off the address visibility, don't forget to click on Save. This might seem obvious, but it's astonishing how often changes are lost because we forget this simple step. Clicking Save finalizes your preferences, ensuring that your address is hidden from the public view as you wished. And there you have it. A straightforward, step-by-step guide to making your Google Business Profile a bit more private. This change doesn't affect your business searchability or online presence beyond removing the address, so you can rest easy knowing that customers can still find you online. Feel free to tweak other parts of your profile to better suit your privacy preferences or business needs. Remember, keeping your information up to date on Google helps your customers know more about your business, even if your exact address isn't part of the picture. Thank you for following along, and be sure to check back for more helpful guides.